Good morning, everyone. How are you doing on this beautiful Thursday morning?
The rain has moved out. It's a lot colder, but the sun's shining. And we got a lot of work to get done, huh,
It's
TQ?
beautiful out. I love it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, guys, so we're back home here now. Got a job here I got to get done just because things are moving along with our shed project. All right, guys, oil's good, gas is good. Let's go ahead and just fire this up. I'm not going to be Mr. Safety here, but I am going to wear my cap. I am going to wear a helmet, ear protection, eye protection. Just make sure you're being safe, guys. Good looking hair, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Let's do this, baby.
Yeah. It's pretty fun. What kind of skills do you gotta have to be an axe thrower? You get paid to do this? Man, I'm pretty good at this. Wait, guys. Don't ever say you can't have fun for cheap. Because if you got a cheap axe, make sure you're being safe. Get you a log or something. I've never thrown an axe in my life, I don't think. This is pretty fun, though. Oh, that one fell back out. I didn't throw it hard enough. Babe, I'm taking up axe throwing. Yeah.
That could do some serious damage. Anyways, guys, enough goofing off. We had to move a ton of stuff out of the shed. And I'm waiting on TQ to grab a drill real quick because I got to take these windows out of the shed. Now, you might be saying, why do you need to take the windows out of the shed, Sean? Well, guys, we're taking the shed down regardless. We're taking that tree down regardless. You probably can't see much of it because it's in the sun. So TQ's like, hey, why don't we drop the tree onto the shed, or at least try to? And I was like, you know what? When will we ever in our lives have the opportunity to drop a tree on a shed on purpose? So I guess we'll be right back after I take these windows out real quick, and then we're going to drop, or at least try to drop that tree on the shed. So there's no point in busting up these perfectly good windows. I can take them to my local like resale store or something and donate them. Alright, guys, so I just wanted to take a moment here before I end up taking this shed down, either with the tree or by hand, and just remember the shed. Honestly, I know might sound stupid to some of you, but I built this with my brother and my dad a long time ago, guys. It was just made out of really just scrap material my dad had, and you know, it was just a place to store things, to keep them out of the garage, and you know, just old tools and stuff like that. They'll probably never be used, but they're literally tools that I've looked at as, you know, I've seen them in his garages at different houses we've lived at in Pennsylvania, here in Ohio, and, you know, rough times in our lives financially and struggling to pay bills. And I can still just remember these tools. And, you know, I know this shed still, even till right now, means something to my dad. My dad was proud of everything he did. And this, I'm not taking this shed down, you know, to like, you know, to just get rid of it. It's literally lived its purpose. It's in bad shape and it needs to come down. But I will always remember this shed, building it with my dad and my brother and just piecing it together. So one more real quick look inside the shed. Did you want to try your hand at axe throwing real quick?
Yeah, because I'm the beast at that.
Hey, I'm just saying. I was pretty good at it and I didn't know it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I must have missed it.
All right, let's see it. Yeah, you were in the garage.
Try again. You hit that one with the butt. You hit it with the butt again. Maybe try to get it to rotate more. Ooh, it hit closer that time. Give it some oomph. Use your softball arm.
softball arm?
Yeah, swing it hard.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Want to do it again? It's pretty fun, ain't it?
Sure, I'll try it again. It went right into the crack.
Yeah, it did.
Oh.
Back to that handle. One more time, then we gotta get to work.
There's like an art to it.
Gotta get the flick of the wrist.
Oh. Now I'm not going to stop until I get it again. I should have just ended at that.
Yeah! Look at that.
That's the TQ in it. All right, let's get to work.
I'm gonna go ahead and notch it on this side. Then I want you to get way back. And I'll just use the tripod on the camera. Baby was leaning hard. That gets the blood flowing.
I saw it like gradually just lean a little more and a little more.
I knew it was going. It was starting to pop on me, and you can hear it clear as day, even with these on. And it was pop, pop, pop. So I knew it was going any second.
It just went behind the building.
No, it hit the building.
Did it?
Yeah, I think I might have got it on my cam. Yeah, it hit the building.
Not much damage. Oh, it buckled the back here. You're in my way.
Oh,
right
sorry.
Here.
It hit it.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, Pops. We built that thing a little better than we thought we did.
It's sturdy. All right.
Hey,
good job.
Number one goal here was to get it down safely. Would I like to crush the shed? Yes, that would have been awesome.
That would have been fun.
But I'll tell you what, my blood's pumping. Got that little bit of adrenaline kick in.
Need to take a minute?
No, I'm good. Like, it feels good. The number one goal here was to get it down safely, though,
Yes.
without hitting the house, you, me. Put a little bruise into it.
Yeah. Now we gotta cut this baby up.
Let's do it. All right, TQ, you ready to do this?
Let's do it.
So respect the saw. You don't have to force it. It'll do the work itself. Just make sure you have control of it, firm control of it, so it can't kick on you, or if it does, you'll be able to control it. So when you're cutting, also, so stand here like you're holding the saw real quick. So when this blade is cutting through the wood, say here, I don't want you standing directly behind it. Kind of stand just a little bit off to the side, but still where you can see your cut, okay? Just in case if it does kick, it'll kick up this way and not like at your face. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so basically you're gonna wanna bend down here real quick. Chainsaws can be tough to start. So make sure this is in the middle. Yep. All right, so put your foot there. Never lean over the saw. And you're just gonna wanna push down with this hand a little bit and pull firmly on that. It'll be like a short little pull. Close. Okay. Lift it up real quick. Don't touch the gas or anything. Stand up. So this is basically your brake. It'll lock the saw blade into place. So right now, I'll give it gas. It won't move. See? So you got to pull this towards you. You'll hear it click. And then that blade will move when you give it gas. Okay? So off to the side. Just kind of judge it. You don't want to go that big because that'll be too hard to put into the log splitter. So look at your end there. Judge probably like, I don't know, 15 inches or so, 2 feet. And go ahead and start your cut. Hey, always go into the wood with the blade spinning. Don't try to start the blade on the wood, okay? First time ever she's using a chainsaw. So the biggest thing also, can you hear me? Is when you go through, don't let it go too far. So make sure you control it because you don't want to nick your foot. All right, guys, so TQ's making good timing here. Go ahead. Just watch your feet. Super proud of her, guys, for even trying. It's not easy just to hop in and do something like this, you know? It takes a lot of nerves. She's actually doing really well, guys. I'm proud of her. doing is I started making a series of cuts here. I'm going to cut all the way down, probably about 3/4 of the way through. And then I'll start chipping off that end because it's still in the air. And then I'll just probably roll this or cut it in little sections, then roll it and finish my cuts. Alright guys, I'm done. I'm whooped. It's probably about 5. Been out here probably a solid 3.5 hours. I think we started about 2. We did a couple small cleanups this morning. And we had to do some stuff with a CPA. Well, try to do some stuff with our CPA. And then a ton of running. But I'm whooped. And I know when I get whooped, it's time to call it for the day. Live to fight another day. We got a lot done here though. I mean, got a lot done. I was hoping to get the shed the rest of the way down, but got this one all cut up to here. Still got a section through here. I'll do that tomorrow when I get done working or something. Yeah. I'm gonna go get some dinner. TQ went in probably an hour ago to get dinner started. I told her to keep an eye on me though, just make sure I'm okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, keep mowing, keep growing, keep making money, boys. We'll talk to you later. TQ out. Peace. Bye.